out there on what we should be eating, how much we should be eating. I don't want to confuse you anymore. So what I want to do in this video today is I want to give you one tip, just one thing that you can do in order to see small changes in the beginning and major changes in the long term in your healthy eating plan. So I'm only going to give you this one thing, and this is what I did when I first started, and I found that this really helped me because I struggle with my diet. I really do, and I really find it difficult to say no to junk food because junk food tastes great, and I don't deny that. It's easy to eat, it's easy to grab, and it's comforting to eat. It's very emotional when you eat it, so I don't deny that junk food is wonderful. And yet we all know that we shouldn't be eating it all the time. So I'm going to give you just this one tip in order for you to see major changes in the long term. So what's my one tip? Instead of eating chocolate, for example, replace it with something. So replace it with sultanas. Instead of eating a packet of chips, eat a handful of nuts. Now, if in 2 or 3 weeks' time you feel like a little bit of chocolate, eat a little block. Don't eat the whole block. If you feel like eating, some chips, eat a handful of chips. Don't eat the whole bag of chips. So the reason I say replace it rather than remove it, I found that when I removed chocolate out of my diet, for example, I craved something sweet all the time, and I really wanted something sweet, and I really wanted chocolate, and I really, really, really wanted it, and in the end I just caved and I ate a whole block. So instead of doing that, I replaced it with a little bit of sultanas, and it took that craving away. So I didn't really feel like chocolate anymore, so okay, I have sultanas instead. And I continued to do that with everything in my diet, and over time I found that it became easier and easier to have the healthier option. So I hope that helps you, and I hope that helps make small changes in your healthy eating plan in order to see long-term major changes. So that's a one tip.